Okay, one thing I question. School rules. Don't get me wrong, like some makes sense. No hat, no play. But like, what do you mean we can only go one way on the monkey bars? And no one else is on them. Also, for a few years at my school we had the rule. No jumpers tied around your waist. Which was honestly a dumb rule, cause like, why? Also, you can't carry other people's bag unless you don't get asked. Like, why is that a rule? Also, we can't wear socks with patterns or anything. Like socks with bananas on them weren't allowed. Like, fair but. We're not even teens. Yet why does IT matter? And yes, this rule includes the 5-year-olds that are in kindergarten. Like we already have uniforms. Does it matter what color our socks are?